Hello everyone, my name is Lexis Teresi. I am really excited for this course as well as to meet all of you, and I'm looking forward to your posts and interacting with you guys. My current job title is that I work for the Commonwealth of Pennsylvania as a Childline caseworker. I'm sure many of you guys are familiar with Childline, especially if you work in Pennsylvania working with children. For those of you that do not know what Childline is, it is the child abuse hotline, which every state has one. So I'm currently working from home and I take reports regarding allegations on the possible abuse or neglect of children. And then I distribute them out to the appropriate children and youth agencies across the state of Pennsylvania. So I'm really enjoying that, especially during a global pandemic. So it's been really interesting to see the increase in our calls and the different social issues that families are facing. What I hope to get out of this course, I'm really excited to just learn about everything in this course, but more just understanding how trauma affects the way that our clients think, they feel, how they behave, and just further understanding the reactions to trauma that people have and how our brain affects the way that we respond to trauma. I also want to learn more about trauma that is experienced early in life. Specifically, I'm really interested in children that are affected or exposed to early childhood trauma and how it affects them later in life. So just really understanding, again, how the child brain develops after being exposed to early childhood trauma. I think that trauma is beyond important in social work. I'm sure you all would agree with me. Most, if not all of our clients experience some sort of stressor or trauma throughout their life. And that's, as social workers, we work with our clients to understand those stressors and help provide the tools and skills to develop positive coping skills or to help them reach that healing process and provide effective intervention and treatment strategies for them. As well as for social workers and ourselves, understanding secondary trauma and how that can affect us and how we can be triggered when serving our clients, and how to prevent early burnout. So I think that's really important in studying trauma. I also think that it's important for agencies to be trauma informed or at least have some sort of understanding of trauma informed approaches when serving people in the community so that you can better understand how to support and empower your clients and understanding the needs that they need to overcome those social challenges. 3 ways that I plan to take care of myself this semester. I have a few. Just starting out by making time for myself and doing things that I enjoy outside of working full time and schoolwork and other responsibilities that I have, which some things that I enjoy to do are working out. I play field hockey on a women's league every Wednesday night, so I really look forward to that, as well as just going on walks. I love being outside, and I'm excited for the fall season to come because this summer has been too hot. But yeah, I'm really excited for that, and just spending time with my significant other. Communicating with friends and families from all over and really keeping that connection with loved ones, especially during this pandemic, has really made me talk to a lot more people, which I'm really appreciative of, and being connected and FaceTiming a lot more. So that's been really important for me. So overall, just really balancing my time, making time to do things I enjoy, as well as completing all my responsibilities in a timely manner. So with that being said, again, I'm excited for this course and I'm looking forward to seeing all your posts. Thanks.